Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for the daily Anfield Road expansion update until these seats are in. So I'm going to get over and have a look. While I'm here, may as well let you know that I won my appeal, well, my counterclaim. So for those that don't know, I've done a match day vlog of my trip to Wembley against Chelsea in the Carabao Cup final, and an Indonesian TV company put a copyright claim in against me. I'll just zoom into these while I'm talking. And it got me video taken down. They said it was their footage. It got me video taken down, and a copyright strike against me channel. So I appealed, and once you appeal, YouTube then warn you. You do risk losing your channel if you lose the appeal. So I thought, yeah, I'm willing to take that risk. It's my footage. Then I received another email saying that they're not going to pursue it any further. They don't think there's enough evidence from me to say that the video is mine, even though I'm in it. So I didn't accept it. I appealed, and it's taken 2 weeks. Got an email this morning saying that my video's been reinstated. So yeah, 1-0 to me over the Indonesian TV company. I may name them in a future video. Right, they're not moving any further, are they? But a lot of people have guessed who the TV company is. Have a quick look down this car park. Oh, it's looking a bit bare now, isn't it? I can't see Wally taking all the equipment in. Okay, let's go over the ground and have a look. And I will try and have a look at these benches that people keep going on about. I thought they meant the benches at the Forever Stones, but it's not. Benches against the walls. I have seen benches there, I've sat on them, but they made of stone, not wood. So unless wooden ones are being put in now, I don't know. Let's get over here, spin round and we'll have a look in. I'm also going to touch on Anfield Square today. See what people think should be there. Okay. I got a massive chunk of that done now, haven't they? Look at that. Looking good, Reds, looking good. And I just want to thank Liverpool as well for saving me about £2,000 as well. Thank you, Liverpool, for losing against Man U 4-3. No, I'm joking, obviously, but I think Liverpool lost the game themselves rather than Man U winning it, if that makes sense. Two mistakes, especially that one by Ellie at the end. You know, people are allowed to make mistakes, but when you make a mistake on the edge of their area and it leads to a goal, then you know there's a problem. Also, it just proves we're missing Alisson. Alisson saves 3 of them goals, in my opinion. And it's not against Keller. Keller's a brilliant keeper. He's just not the best in the world like Alisson is. But yeah, there we go. It saved me some money anyway. Just trying to see what that is. That crane connected to anything? No. I am here around dinner time, so that could have a bearing on it as well. So come round and have a look at the these benches people keep going on about. So in these recesses in the walls, there've been stone benches. Ah, okay, well done guys. Thank you for pointing that out. I thought they were staying stone. Right, there's another half to go there, and because they're no further down. It's like two lots. No, I'm best just flying there, aren't I? Hold on a second. That cherry picker's come back down again. Oh, there's only one there. Where did you see it? Where it was completely in? Yeah, just more than wooden seats there. Okay, so thanks for putting that out, guys. I was proper flummoxed. Didn't know what people were going on about. I was looking at the Forever Stones. Yeah. Good job, everyone. Yeah, so wooden seats there. Brilliant. I'll sit on them at the next match. Mindful of my time. I don't want this running over too much. There's a lot that people want to see, but I won't get it done in one video. So if you think I'm missing anything, guys, just let me know in the comments, okay? Right, that's going to need the seating area he's putting in there, innit? See that poor fella sitting on the wall? Yeah, I'm finally getting over this cold as well, if you can guess by the tone of my voice now. It hasn't exactly wiped the floor of me, it's just been horrible, it's just been lingering. Okay, I'm just looking round, see if there's anything I can see. Okay. Let's come round and have a look from the outside here. No, as I say, it's around lunchtime, so people are probably having a well-deserved lunch. So let's go to Anfield Square. Right, I want to keep me in the zone, so I want to fly over here. I've just got an idea, that's all. I want to get Anfield Square with that Anfield's in the background. So this patch of grass here is Anfield Square. Now I'm just going to stop a sec and take a picture. So I've just taken photographs at different angles there. So I want to know what people want to see in this area. Now, really think outside the box here, guys. Okay, help me out, because I can make a video out of this. You have to excuse the sniffling today. It's a bit cold. So really think outside the box. I want to make a video out of this. What would you like to see in this square? Now, I know it's been touted it could be a hotel. So imagine a big hotel there. Or maybe a nice big fancy restaurant. A shopping centre. Or let's go wacky now. Let's go right outside the box. Maybe a fairgrounds. Okay? Or a medieval castle. How's that look? What else could we have? So, a few examples there, guys. You know, really think outside the box, and I'll make some photos up and I'll make a video out of it. You know, we can have a laugh with this. So, a little bit of fun there. Right, so I'm going to come back over. Yeah, the ground's looking superb, isn't it? Look at it. Yeah, just a shame the result didn't go our way yesterday, but every cloud and all that. There's 2 matches now that we don't have to play. That would take a big chunk out of our season. We can concentrate on the Premier League now, hopefully. We've got 10 games left. Man City has still got to play Arsenal. If that ends up a City win or a draw, Liverpool win all their games, Liverpool win the Prem. It's as simple as that. But we know the big 10 games, 10 cup finals there. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe. Give me a wacky Anfield Square. What you like seeing there. Or anything normal, and we'll just see how it looks. Yeah, give it a thumbs up if you like it. And apart from that, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.